So if you're eligible to vote, do you just show up and vote? Not quite. Unless you live in North Dakota, you have to register to vote in your state of residence. And there's a website dedicated to making sure you register correctly in the state you live in. It's called vote.gov. Vote.gov is run by the federal government to make sure every eligible voter in the US can go to one place to find accurate, updated information about how to register to vote. The site is available in over 15 different languages. Just select your language, choose the state you live in, and in most cases, you'll be directed to your state's election website. You'll find registration deadlines and other offline ways to register. And you can even check your status once you're done. So go, register. It's free, it's easy, and our democracy is counting on you.